Hey guys, hope you're good. Hope you're doing good. Yes, so today we're gonna be working with lists again, and it's just following through what I did with Python and Maple and R. So I'm just gonna use the same data as well. So yeah, guys. On a side note, just a quick one. I'd really appreciate it if you do subscribe to my channel. So if you do like what you see, please do subscribe and please do share the videos with your friends on WhatsApp, Telegram, Signal, whatever you use, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'd really appreciate that. Okay, cool. Let's get started. So I've got my first list, right? So I'm gonna put my bigger font. So animals, right? And then my list is gonna be consisting of a few different animals, right? So I got a lion, right? Um, an impala. Then I've got a zebra, and then a tiger, right? And then finally I'll have a meerkat, right? So that's my first list, right? And then I need to do some bit of indexing. So I need to access specific items in the list, right? So I want to access the impala. So I'll type in animals, right? In double square brackets, then two. So indexing in Mathematica starts from one. So it counts from one, two, three, just like the normal way of counting, natural counting. And then in Python, it starts from zero. So that'll be zero, one, two, three, and so forth. And then Mathematica is one, two, three, four, and stuff. Right. So animals two. I've got an impala. Right. So animals. I'll do another index impala again. Animals five. So that'll get us the meerkat. Okay. Okay. Cool. And then we can try this as well. Animals minus one. There we are. Get a meerkat as well. Right. And then what I want to do now is I want to replace tiger with elephant. So what I'll do is I'll type in animals, right, and then double square brackets. So tiger is my fourth animal, and then be equal to my string elephant, right. Shift enter. There we are. Then if I type in animals again, and there we are. So tiger has been replaced by elephant, right? Yes, now all these animals are native to Africa. Yes, elephants are also native to South Asia as well. So you can get them in places like India and so forth, Thailand and all that lot. Okay, cool. And then yeah, cracking on. So what I need to do now is I need to delete an animal. So I want to delete the lion. So I'll type in delete, right? And then animals, and then my index is one, since we come from one in Mathematica. There we are. So the lion is gone. So we got an impala and zebra, elephant, and meerkat, right? And then I want to add another animal. So I'll type in append, right? So this will add it at the end, right? Then animals, right? And then type in my string again, and it'll be giraffe. Right, here we are. So there we are. So that's the giraffe added, right? And then I can create a second list as well. So animals two, I'll call it animals two, and these animals are gonna be native to North America. So I've got a wolf, you know. Then I've got a bear, so grizzly, you know, not Yogi Bear, right? And then a bobcat, and then I'll add the next one will be like a deer, right? And then right, let's see. Oh, sorry, my bad. I forgot to type in list. Right. There we are. So that's our list. And then what I need to do now is create a new variable. So animals three, and that's gonna put the two together, the two lists together. So I'll type in append, and then animals, and animals two. Right. So there we are. So obviously the animals two has been nested into animals, right? Okay, cool. And then I can go a bit extra. So I'll type in equal twice to invoke Wolfram Alpha. Then I'm just going to do the comparison. So compare a lion and a tiger, right? So it'll give you a comparison between the two animals, right? So we're just running. So you definitely need the internet. Okay, right. So there we are. So you got the data, the scientific names and all that, and physical dimensions. Right. The maximum record weight of a tiger is 420 kilos, and the lion is 270. Right. Wow. Yeah, tigers are huge, man. They're huge. They're huge. Right. They're huge. So there we are. I mean, yeah, seeing them on TV and stuff, you can clearly see they're huge, right? Yeah, so it's just a good thing about Mathematica. You can invoke things, right? And then I can also be a little bit extra as well. Um, equal twice, then define a list, right? So there we are. So obviously referring to English words. So this is your these are your explanations and stuff, right? But then I'll need the mathematical definition, right? So and here we are. So we got our list definition of the list mathematically and stuff, right? So yeah, so it's a good thing about that's the good thing about Mathematica. You can invoke Wolfram Alpha and get more information, that sort of thing. So yeah, like I said, guys, if you like what you see again, please do subscribe and yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good one. Cheers. Bye bye.